Hey guys, it's me. Again, playing, I wouldn't set off anything like that. So, today I'm going to be recreating one of my favorite outfits from 3 months ago, which I had actually traded away all the items, so I had to get them again. Okay, I can't decide my 598 Robux I just bought the other day. I'm not trying to flex. Okay, that's not much. I'm saying I have to say goodbye to it because I have to waste all my diamonds. But there's a little twist. The pastel high tops is what I used to use, but I can't use them now because I don't have them. Don't ask about this outfit. I may even recreate the photo. How has changed a lot in the past 3 months. This is what I'm wearing. No, I wasn't bald. I have no clue what the heck happened. Okay, so I'm gonna use my favorite hair I used to use. And I don't know what hair I used to use, depending on what color it was. But I'm gonna recreate the yellow one because I used that in one of my videos, so yeah. So, oh no, not buns. We don't want buns. So if you guys don't know, my favorite hair was the punk braiding. Ooh. It was just really cute, and it went with my Dear Dolly head bow. You know. Recently, I've seen somebody copy this outfit. Actually, it made me so freaking mad. Like, not even a lie. It made me mad. Cause I made it. I'm gonna keep my skin tone in my face. Wait, actually, I may still have that outfit saved. This is the purple one. So I have the Dear Dolly cursor. So I got the back bow. Oh yeah, this used to be my favorite. The dreamy earrings and the stud earrings. Oh my gosh, I was just, oh my. Oop. That was really an ash one, I guess. I'm just gonna use purple love. I'm playing. I had a typo, I guess. His gloves. I'll just take the gloves off. Okay, I guess I won't keep my skin tone, but whatever. Hey guys, I guess I'm gonna recreate the purple one. Maybe say goodbye to some Robux. Cause I'm not gonna film for this video. I'm too lazy. It's 6:50 in the morning. I'm definitely not gonna do that. But I do hate when people buy their diamonds. Actually, it makes me really annoyed because people actually film for their diamonds and then like they're over here just buying it. You know what I mean? Goodbye, 28,000 diamonds I've really worked hard for. I'm so happy that I did that. Okay, no, I'm not. But I used to love this cursor, I know that. I remember how pumped up I was whenever I got this. I was literally bouncing off walls. Okay, no, not really. I want to sing a song so bad, but I say that in every video. Let me just look at the screenshot I have of the outfit. Okay, yeah. Next, we're gonna buy the Tea Party bow. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy some diamonds. Everyone say goodbye to 200 diamonds. I may have to give, not 200 diamonds, but 200. I only get Robux every month because I go to the store and buy them. And yeah. I'm not happy about that. Shoot, I may have to film. I could get somebody to donate to me. Yeah, whatever, I'll just go. It's really saving up. So guys, I'm gonna go film. I'll be with you guys soon. Wait. Okay guys, let me just put this on. I will be with you guys soon. I have to film though.
I just wanted to say,
so see you guys then.
thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post. If you like and subscribe, it helps my self-esteem. I'm playing. So, bye.